Hello, welcome. Critical Pulse here, or KP, or KRT, or whatever you want to call me. Plenty of names out there. Anyway, in this video, we're going to be checking out how to move an NFT from one wallet to the other without using Opensea. The only thing we're going to use here is the block explorer. In this case, it's going to be Etherscan because my NFT is located on Etherscan. In fact, it's located on the testnet because I don't want to pay gas to do this. So, very first thing we want to do is we want to pull up the block explorer. In this case, we're going to say view on Etherscan. We want to go to our NFTs. Oops. And I have a NFT, a Wonder Letters Mysterious Club number 4 in mind. So I need to get some information from this NFT if I want to move it. So if I click on this, it gives me the contract address. That's going to be important. The token ID, it's pretty easy in this case, it's 4. Very first thing we want to do, we're going to go to the contract address. We want to go to the contract itself. We have some options here to read the contract or write the contract. We want to write the contract. Then we want to go to Safe Transfer From. Now we want to put our from address. That from address is obviously going to be where our, or actually no, back up one step here. We want to connect our wallet, MetaMask. So the wallet's connected. Now we want to go to Safe Transfer From. Our from address is going to be the wallet that it's sitting in currently. This is a swap wallet I like to use for testing. We're going to put in our to address, and this is where we want the NFT to go to. The unit ID, that's going to be the token ID. That it could be pretty much anything or any size, depending on how the creator, the developer of the NFT made it. So in our case, it's very short. It's going to be 4. How many of these do we want to transfer? I want to transfer 1 because I only have 1. And in my data or bytes, I want to put 0x00. Now if I write that, it pops up a transfer. We're going to take that off of advanced. I'll put it on aggressive and confirm the transfer. Now if we go to view our transaction, we should see some things happening over here. Everything's pending. And there we have it. We have transferred our NFT from OXB1 C57A to the address I put in, which is OX63F. You see the numbers. If I go there, if I go in my NFT transfers, I should see it sitting in here right now, NFT Wonderland. And you can see, obviously I've done this multiple times. I wanted to make sure it works. I have some other NFTs I was playing with. I just wanted to make sure the best, quickest way to do this. So anyway, there you have it. That is how to transfer an NFT. Using nothing but the block explorer. This of course will work on Etherscan, Polygon Scan, or whatever block explorer your specific NFT is located on. As long as you can write to the contract, you can transfer the NFT. Thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe, all that stuff if you want to. If you don't, oh well.